Hollyoaks Mac Nightingale to return once again to Hollyoaks and cause trouble for poor Alfie, as Mac is going to make a bit of a recovery, so he is, and so it says in the spoilers that Mac's going to make a recovery, and so I wonder how this is going to turn out, and this is will air in the next coming weeks, so well. But yep, so that's what I wanted to say, guys. Mac is going to return to Hollyoaks once again as he's making a recovery, and he's going to cause trouble for poor Alfie, so he is, and yep, so here it goes. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. That's all for now, and I wonder how that's going to turn out. It's going to be a nightmare, so it is, and for the Nightingales, and yep, so that's what I wanted to say, guys. That's going to happen in Hollyoaks. Mac's going to make a recovery and annoy Alfie and just cause more trouble probably, because Mac's a horrible person. But yep, so that's all I wanted to say, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. We keep you updated my videos, but that's all for me for now. And have a great day, and I'll see you guys later.